Okay, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is an Arab and Islamic sovereign state. The king acts also as prime minister and enacts sharia law in states of general policy, supervising protection and defense of the nation. He is the final court of appeal and the source of pardon. Below him, for matters of less national security risk, is the Supreme Judicial Court, or Council, followed by a Court of Appeal. At the base of the civil dispute resolving court is the first instance courts. On October 1st, 2007, the establishment of Supreme Court was an enactment of royal decree approval, along with Commercial Labor Administrative Court. Jurisdiction being commercial labor claims, various committees within government to hear labor council of disputes. For civil disputes, the first instant court is what businesses would interact with for litigation, but a recent 2020 commercial court law passed and reduced litigation to just cases and encouraged ADR, or alternative dispute resolution, like negotiation and mediation in business, and improving efficiency of commercial court system. There are 13 provinces in Saudi Arabia, and they each have a governor, a deputy governor, and a provincial council, made of 10 private citizens or more. The governor and deputy governor sit as chair and vice chair of the councils. For business in Saudi Arabia, disputes are handled by general courts and summary courts under the first instance courts. In jurisdiction of the first instance courts, above first instance courts is the Court of Appeal, for whom relay the Supreme Judicial Council and the province in question. For cases worth more money in national security risk, the king is the highest of the Sharia courts in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Following map in my ebook is a basic outline of the court systems businesses would be involved with: Supreme Judicial Council, Court of Appeals, First Instant Courts, and then General Courts and Summary Courts. The First Instant Courts also have juvenile courts and marriage courts. All under Sharia law in the Sharia courts. That's my research on Saudi Arabia for court system in general. I haven't gotten into any civil disputes. That could be an example. My next ebook will be on the civil disputes in Zong, but I'll get to the next Saudi Arabia civil disputes in a matter of a month or so. I'm doing a few countries at the same time, so my book should grow and be an in general global international business book. But right now I have a lot of essays to write on this channel, and that's the basic outline of Saudi Arabia court system. And it is under Sharia law right now, so it is an Islamic state and a sovereign state at that. And the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a very proud country, and they have a good history to look into. It's a very interesting subject, and if anyone has any questions or concerns, let me know. I'll try to add it into my course. Yeah, my ebook is available on my blog. Thank you.